Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat not loading snaps. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat app is not loading your snaps, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to check that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, that is disconnected with that. You then go back from here, and here you just have to go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. After that, go back. You have to also check your iPhone storage that you have almost 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage to run all apps as very well. And after doing that, you have to simply go back from here, and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to open your app store for search, and you have to search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app, and after updating, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you have to make a force restart your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's add this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Snapchat app here. You can try to offload your app, and after offloading, you have to reinstall app. After installation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this tab, and after that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.